Lady B kitchen a lifestyle, you the ginger me. I try to go original lifestyle. When Lady B step out, everybody they see her. She get beauty, she get style. God bless Lady B, make her kitchen shine bright. God bless Lady B. God protect Lady B. Let her kitchen shine for all to see. From Niger to India, best recipe. Lady B kitchen and Lady B step out, beauty they talk. Daily lifestyle clean, she they walk the walk. Cooking quality meals, both Niger and abroad. Indian spice, Niger still she sabi more. Family lifestyle, joy they flow. Kitchen they hot, aroma they glow. Authentic lady, everybody know. Lady B too fine, original queen we sabi. Lady B, you don't know how beautiful you are. Lady B kitchen, the talk of the town. Your beauty they shine like a sweet new song. God bless Lady B. God protect Lady B. Let our kitchen shine for all to see. From Niger to India, best recipe. Lady B kitchen and lifestyle is the best. Yummy, yummy meals, always on time. If you don't know Lady B, waiting you gain a channel they sweet, I can't get enough. Body love, who they cook and well. Body love, who they make Niger still sweet. From India to Niger, who be the best? Lady B kitchen, beautiful queen. Lady B, the one where God they bless daily. You're still the one we trust. Look how far you've come, my Lady B. From Niger to India, worldwide they see your kitchen's the best. And we all agree. They said I bet she won't be popular, but just look, you're standing tall. You're still the one we love for life. You're still the one, the queen of good food. Lady B too fine, a chalugo. Original lifestyle, she too fine. Lady B in the kitchen cooking yummy, yummy meals. God bless Lady B. Let her kitchen shine for all to see. Go original lifestyle. When Lady B step out, everybody they see her. She get beauty, she get style. God bless Lady B, make her kitchen shine bright. God bless Lady B. God protect Lady B. Let her kitchen shine for all to see. From Niger to India, best recipe. Lady B kitchen and Lady B step out, beauty they talk. Daily lifestyle clean, she they walk the walk. Cooking quality meals, both Niger and abroad. Indian spice, Niger still she sabi more. Family lifestyle, joy they flow. Kitchen they hot, aroma.
Uchimo, Uchimo, hey Uchimo. You guys, look at my bread though.
This pizza.
Not too nice bread though.
This is pizza.
You guys, they take lights. After some minutes, they bring the lights back. Look at my bread.
Sugar, let's use it and make pizza.
Naptan was actually pizza. Hey, Chineke, now this one is gone. Hi, Chim. Look at what iron has done to my bread. I'm not laughing. You guys, only today. Look at my bread. Look at the process of making this bread. They have to take lights. Now, after some minutes, they bring lights. Now look at my bread. It has come down. This particular one, the oven iron has injured these two parts. You can see the center, how the center is going so beautifully. But look at here. This is the handwork of the oven from the iron. Now, look at this one. And this one, because they take lights. This one don't. This one don't. You guys are back. I'll just allow it to bake like that. So this one, let's open it. This one bakes so beautiful, but only the oven has spoiled over here. The oven has spoiled this part, which is not good. I don't like it. Look at my bread. Would that be so yummy like this? Wow. So yummy. This is our today bread. Are you going to try it or not? Let me know in the comment section. For me, I will give this bread 5/10 because this oven has spoiled here. You can see. Would that be 10/10 anyway? But I will not use this thing to make again. It's so huge for my oven. I wish I have a bigger oven size. It would have come out great. But my oven is not that huge. You can see it over there. So the iron is going to spoil over here like this. You can see the center. It's coming beautifully. You see the center color. But this particular place I have to burn because of the oven. It's just so small. Anyway, the bread is so yummy. You can follow the process to get it done. But I will not tell you to follow this method. Okay? Actually, with this type of thing. If you don't have a big oven, don't use this. But if you have big oven, you can use. Anyway,